Alright you guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the Wolf Pack. I am feeling a little bit under the weather today, in today's video. I really feel like I'm coming down with something, just overall not feeling great. But I wanted to get a video up for you guys because I have promised consistency here on this channel, and we're going to stick to it. So when you guys are seeing this, happy Sunday. I hope that you guys are worshiping the Lord today and spending some time in peace with yourself, in your families, if applicable. And anyways, yeah. So today